You need to be abstemious with junk food. What does it mean? Abstemious with. It means to be very careful about something. You need to be very careful about junk food. You need to be abstemious with junk food. Now please repeat after me. You need to be abstemious with junk food. You need to be abstemious with junk food. She is quite abstemious with dessert. It means she doesn't eat dessert a lot. She is so careful about eating dessert. She is quite abstemious with dessert. He lives abstemiously. He lives abstemiously means he lives very carefully. It means he is very careful about his lifestyle, his diet, time management, etc. He lives abstemiously.